everyone, Dearly Crafted here. Merry Christmas Eve and Merry Christmas to my friends in the other time zones. I thought since it was Christmas I'd go ahead and do an unboxing. I had received a couple packages from Amazon on Friday last week and was saving them for today. So let's go ahead and get started. This isn't a huge unboxing, but it's a few things I had found that I'd been keeping an eye on Amazon, and so I finally decided to go ahead and buy them. Excuse the plastic sound here. So I don't know, as far as if you'd seen one of my previous videos, I can't remember if it was the introduction video, but these pencil cases that I had bought to keep all my tools in, I had found them, that they were selling them again, because there for a while they were out, and sorry about the plastic sounds once again. It's the pencil cases that are the hard, like frosted plastic. I'll put this one over here for a minute. And so this compartment with the really sharp tweezers, I really, really love it. And so I wanted to have a couple extra kits that I could have with the really nice sharp tweezers. It's hard, so it protects better than a bag for me, and I can just have this sitting here and put my tweezers in here, and that way they don't poke holes into a bag. And then it has that little sidecar type of thing, mini compartment here for my waxes, and a little notepad and that, and if I need to, I can fit a tray in here as well. So, like I said, it's just a little mini tool kit, so I wanted to have a couple extra on hand and maybe make another one. And so, on to the next box. Apologies for the loud sounds if there are any. I had been watching this for a while because the price was fluctuating a lot, like a lot. But I had always admired Gone Off My Meds Craftmates Lockables ever since I saw her have these. And so I had been watching this, like I said, for quite a while, and really wanted to try one out. So I'm really excited to actually finally have found that they lowered the price, because like I said, it was fluctuating in price from anywhere from $10 to $15 on the Amazon site, and they finally put it at a reasonable price, and I was like, happy, happy, joy, joy. And if you've never seen the Craftmate Lockables, I'll open that in a minute. And then they did have these little, I think it was an add-on item, but it's the DMC numbers already printed on little stickers. So I was like, well, I'll just throw that in there then and get some of those, because those come in handy. So I'll put those off to the side. And with the Craftmate Lockables, I know that Rachel Ray had recently got one when she was visiting here in the States as well. And it seems like she really enjoys it also. So if you had never seen the Craftmate Lockables, it's like this purple soft suede feel organizer. And it has, what, 54 compartments, I think, or 56. So, and so, okay. So there are 8 with 7 compartments, which is 56, and so it's the same on this side. And as far as the lockables, you just push the button, this release button. Please don't pay attention to my nails. They got a little chipped up with all the Christmas wrapping and cooking and baking. And so I guess you just push this little button to release it, and then you can open the compartment. My apologies, I'm making it harder than it needs to be. And so it looks like it's got a nice capacity inside. And so you just snap it closed. I guess it's just a little bit me getting used to it. I'm used to my bags, you know that with me. But yeah, so I thought I'd give it a try. I'd always admired it. I love organizational things, and this was one that really caught my eye. And the feel of it, it's like a book. I love it. And you can, you know, have more than one, and like, for instance, you know, if you want to just store it for your extra beads, you know, use it for storage of your extra beads or a ongoing project. I thought it was really very clever, and it does actually lock the lids. So thought I'd give that a try. So yeah, this is just a really quick unboxing video. I thought that'd be perfect for Christmas Eve, Christmas Day. Like I said, I'm in the other time zones. And I'm excited to actually finally get one of these. And just want to wish you all a very, very Merry Christmas or holiday. And all my friends here, all my friends everywhere, wish the best for you always. Have a great day and take care. We'll talk with you again later. Bye-bye.